What's that? Oh no! Stop it!
Seriously? Where do these forklifts come from? Beep. And why are there so many of them? Beep. I guess we'll never know.
The beauty is overwhelming.
It's like a dream. Wow, it's really happening. Hot Wheels rain.
Arf, arf.
Look, it's the monster truck.
Welcome, and today we're making a Hot Wheels car. First, paint the chassis this bright red.
That's so shiny.
Now, attach the wheels. Wow. And there you have it, your own custom Hot Wheels. Happy Easter, everyone. Check out our awesome ride and our festive friend. All right, Skull Tornado, how we doing today? Skeletal Voice. Greetings, friends. Excellent day for a hangout. Always a good time with you. Happy Squeaks.
What is that? Woof, woof, woof! Oh no, it's inside!